welcome back to my channel. I'm back again. Okay, so those who are not subscribers yet, welcome to my channel. So those who are already subscribed to my channels, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you and explain to you how easy to use the TubeBuddy application in your mobile. So they will teach you how to do the description, how to do the titles, and they will guide you how to organize your tags, and then they will show you and how you earn the money from the TubeBuddy. So as like an affiliate program, so you can make your affiliate link, so that if you want to put in your description, you can put your link there, the affiliate program under by TubeBuddy. So the TubeBuddy, if they will press for you about 20%, okay, like who press the link and they will purchase, you have about 30%, if I'm not mistaken. So if 250 people, you have a 50% commission from the TubeBuddy. So you have to make the people account. The people account, the TubeBuddy will pay you first week of the month. So it's really good and easy to use and earn the money if you already purchased, like for like example, the license. So if you want to gain back, so you have to try your best and promote your link, so that the people will press your link and the purchase the TubeBuddy. So you have a commission, 30% commission for less than 250. So you press the 30% commission, so you get the 250 person to purchase and press your link, you get 50% commission from the TubeBuddy. So they will pay you via PayPal account. So I will show you guys how to use the TubeBuddy and how it is to make the affiliate program link, and how it is the license and free, what they are free, free. For example, like they have a free purchase, like for how to make the end screen, everything. So I will show you. It's really good and worth it to purchase the license and the TubeBuddy. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is what I show you how to use the TubeBuddy in your mobile. So here, press is very helpful. Oops. Okay, here you can press and check in your profile here, and you can see your milestone. Okay, you can see here. I show you the screenshot too. Okay, this is the milestone. You can see, and here, because it will help you. For example, this one I press. Okay, this video I want to show you how it is. Like for example, this one I never upload for add tagging's description, so the title length is become yellow color, so meaning it's not really successful yet. So you just share to your Twitter, you can send to that. At least they will show you how it is going on for this video. So it's really good to use the TubeBuddy. Okay, you can show the analytic also. Visualytics, we call it Visualytics. And in the tags URL, you can copy from here. So this is the best practice I can show you. I will go to my email. They will send to my email. Just now I did press to you how to it is the report. Press. Yeah, correct. So look, just now I did press. A bit slow the internet. See, you can see the red color is description is not really satisfied. They have a 3 failures, title length and to share in the Twitter. Is really helpful for the YouTuber. The TubeBuddy. You go back to the TubeBuddy account. Press. You have to download TubeBuddy, easy for you to monitor all the video what's happening. Okay, you can press the milestone, how it is, how many subscribes, how many views. They will show you here, like for example this one. Yes, see, you can see the TubeBuddy. They will send to you the certificate, like you already reached the 1,500 subscribers, so they will send to you the certificate. For example, you want to save the photo. Okay, you go to the save to library, or you share. Okay, you can press here wherever you want to share, Facebook, Pinterest, everything. You can post it to them. It's really good and very helpful. It's really worth it that you download or you purchase the TubeBuddy. It's really helpful. They will teach you how to use the tags. They will teach you how to, they can monitor how it is your milestone. So it's really satisfied that you download the TubeBuddy. You use the TubeBuddy as a practice for you how to organize your YouTube videos. Then easy for you to put like the tags, how to use the tags. They can help you how to make more views, because they will do the taggings there, and then the description they will teach you how. So they will teach you, and then you can see whoever comments to your YouTube videos in your YouTube channel. Very easy. So as you go to YouTube now, you go to the website if you want. Okay, if you want to go to the YouTube, you must go to the website. Easy for you to check. Oops. You go to this YouTube desktop. Yes, correct. Press here. No, continue here. A bit slow, sorry that. Okay, see, you can see how it is big. I transfer you here. It's really big. So you press here. You go to your channel. Okay, you can press. Then you can go to your TubeBuddy. As you can see here, look at that. It's really easy and very simple way to use the TubeBuddy. So if you want to buy, like for example, they have a store, they have a level how you purchase for that, then very good for you. if you don't know, like a new YouTubers, we don't know first time how to do the tags, everything, description, how to put. So you use the TubeBuddy, and then they will teach you how to make the description, titles, no, they will show you everything how it is. So here you download here, like example my video here, so you can see the analytics. I transfer you the other way. So it's very simple. Okay, they will teach you all here. This is the one, my analytics of my videos, YouTube channel. So look at that. You can see that. Okay, it's very easy to use the TubeBuddy.